Hello everyone. Today we will see how to cook a nice and soft paneer. Sometimes when we make paneer it gets a little hard and rubbery. Today I am going to show you 2 tips which will help you to cook paneer very soft every time you make it. So whether you're using a homemade paneer or if it's a store-bought paneer, this method will ensure that you get a soft paneer every time. So cut the paneer as into any shape that you want, and then before starting to cook your dish, take a bowl full of hot water and soak the paneer pieces in this hot water. Let the paneer continue to soak in this water till you are ready to add the paneer into the dish that you are cooking. This trick will always ensure a very soft paneer after you cook. Another important tip is when you add the paneer into your gravy, make sure you add it at the very last minute. You don't add the paneer 10 minutes before finishing a dish and then you keep cooking and cooking and cooking till it all comes together for 10 to 15 minutes. Overcooking a paneer will always make it hard and rubbery. If you want the paneer to remain soft, very soft after cooking, then you make sure you add the paneer at the very last minute. I always add my paneer about 1 or 2 minutes before switching it off, and as soon as I add it, I mix it along with the gravy and I switch off the flame within 1 minute. Keep the gravy covered, cover your vessel, and the paneer will cook in that remaining heat itself. So always remember, overcooking a paneer will make it rubbery. See how soft and fluffy this paneer is. Eating a soft paneer is so tasty and so delightful. I'm sure kids will also enjoy eating such a soft paneer. Whether you're using a homemade paneer or store-bought paneer, always follow these 2 tricks and you will always end up with very soft, well-cooked paneer. I hope this tip is useful for you. Until next time, bye-bye.